Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Toshika, and in today's video I'm going to talk about top affordable planners and the alternative ways by which you can save your money. So before starting with the affordable planners, I want to share the alternative ways. So as we all know, this is kind of a trend nowadays to use the expensive and fancy decorative planners. But if I personally suggest, don't go with the expensive planners, because that will not make any difference. You will be doing the same thing with the expensive and the cheaper one. Our ultimate goal should not be a good planner but a good planning strategy which helps us to grow and organize our life. You can find many planner reviews as well as the comparison videos on YouTube. Also, we have seen many of them who suggest that this planner is the best planner and blah blah. But if I say no planner is the best planner, that is totally your choice, your taste, your needs and your budget. I'm not against any planner or anything, but it's totally my personal opinion. I know many will not find it right and many can relate. If you feel like by seeing a fancy and decorative planner, you feel excited about planning, so you can definitely go with that. But if you feel your main priority is goal setting and a proper planning strategy, and you feel like you can adjust with a simple notebook or a normal planner, then you can opt for that as well. So alright, now let's come to the affordable planner suggestions. So before suggesting any planners, I will be sharing the alternative ways which can save your money. I don't know it will work for any of you or not, but I wanted to share this with all of you guys. So I guess you all have heard about the digital planners, but most of us don't prefer to use the digital planners. So what you can do, there are number of planner PDFs are available on the internet. So simply आप अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग कोई भी PDF डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और पास की लोकल प्रिंटिंग शॉप से उसे प्रिंट करवा सकते हैं. और अगर आप में से किसी को भी मेरी हेल्प चाहिए PDF के लिए, so you can just reach out to my Instagram page and I will be sharing a PDF file with you. I will personally search for a good planner PDF and will be sharing with you. Just to have an idea about the rates, I just went to a local printing shop to ask about the printing rates, and they were printing around 300 pages for 120 rupees only. So what you can do after printing the pages, you can ask the shopkeeper for the spiral bound and you can simply use the planner. And the second alternative ways would be using a notebook. You can simply buy a notebook and make a planner in your own creative way by creating some doodles or sticking some stickers. There are number of ideas available on the internet, or you can also check on Pinterest for the example. By seeing that, you can create your own personalized planner. And the benefit of using the printed planner as well as the notebook planner, in this way you can make your own customized planner. The pages which are not available in the market planner, you can add them, or also you can create your own space which you want. So these two were my suggestions for the alternative ways of using a planner. And now let's talk about the affordable planners available in the market.
So the first affordable planner we have is the Supple Room Planner. It comes in 3 different designs: hardcover, spiral bound and 140 pages. The price is 599 rupees. You can choose the design according to your choice. And if we see the features, so the main thing to notice is the size is A5 size. Usually our notebooks comes in A4 size. So if you are okay with the small size, then only go with this planner. It has the 22-23 calendar and monthly goal and reminders, blank space for notes, weekly spreads, monthly spreads, hardcover spiral binding, available in 3 amazing designs, 100 GSM paper thickness. And also with the planner we get 3 sticker sheets. These are the sheets they are providing. You can also find the planner on Amazon. I will be sharing the links in the description box below. And then we have this Mycara planner. This comes in 2 different designs and the price is 699 only. So last time I bought the Mycara planner and the dates were misprinted. I'm not sure about this year how the dates are. Also I have received some queries that their customer support is not that good. So if you want, you can go with this, because if you are looking for a cheaper planner, then this is the best planner, because I have used this last year. But about the misprinted dates, what you can do, you can use a correction tape. That is not a big deal if you are getting the planner in cheaper prices. for the review and the quality of the planner, you can check my Mycara review video which I did last year. And now we have the Simba Lifestyle Planner. The price is 899 rupees, and along with the planner they are providing some free goodies as well. But when we are seeing on the website, currently the planner is out of stock. If we see the description, we have a front and back pocket with the planner, 12 cards which we can share with our friends, and we have some pages like 2022 goals, goal setting section, to-do list, current me, future me, wish list, and everything. You can check in the description of their website. And if we talk about the quality of the paper, they are providing 100 GSM paper. So if you think this planner is in your budget, so you can definitely go with it. And then we have Factor Notes Planner. It comes in 8 different designs. You can choose according to your choice. The price is 999 and it is hardbound planner. I really like the inside pages, how creative and simple they are at the same time. I found this a good planner under 1000 rupees. This also have the pocket at the last. And then we have this Odd Studio Planner. It comes in 4 different colors, spiral bound, and the price is 999. As we can see, it has a very minimalist design, and also it has a lot of space compared to other planners. Now let's see the specification. So it has again A5 size, just like the last planner we saw, the Supper Room Planner. So again, it's your choice. If you are okay with the small size, you can definitely go with this. And now we have this Heart and Soul Planner. The price is 999 again, and the size of the planner is again A5. So as we can see, few of the planner which are under 1000 are coming in the small size. So it totally depends on you if you are okay with the size or not. They are providing the 100 GSM paper, and all the description of the planner you can check on their website. Now we have the Happy Wagon Bird Vines Planner. The price is again 999, and let's see the specification of the planner. So they are providing 120 GSM paper, natural shade paper, and total 205 pages are there. You can see how beautiful floral prints are available on the planner, and all the description again, if you want to buy the planner, you can check on their website. I will be mentioning all the links in the description box below. So now we have the Vinci Stationery Planner. The price is 1100 rupees, but it is kind of unique in its own way because they are providing 2 different planners. First is the Sky Planner and the second is the Ocean Planner. The Ocean Planner is for January to June and the Sky Planner is for July to December. As they are providing 2 different planners, so I guess they have a lot of space. And if we talk about the paper quality, they are providing 120 GSM paper. So you can check the videos and the description in their website. So that's all. We have total 8 affordable planners under 1000 rupees. Only this Vinci Stationery Planner is of 1100 rupees. So you can choose any one of the planner.
So friends, I hope आपको ये options पसंद आए होंगे. And whosoever can't afford the planner, don't worry. You can just go for the alternative ways. You can go for the printed planner or a notebook planner. That would be totally a customized planner of your choice. So friends, let me know in the comment box which alternative way did you like the most. And also in the next video, I will be sharing a proper planning strategy, how actually you should do the planning and organize your life. So friends, I hope you liked the video. If you have, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because it will give me all the motivation to create more videos for you. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.